Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to this Friday morning, March 7th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile, the SNQ. Very, very, very thick overnight. Once again, no surprise with non-farm payroll coming out. We have Powell speaking at 12:30 Eastern today. This is the main thing, though. Just like for a long time when the Bulls were in control, we always used to say the Bears have to take baby steps. And that's now the case for the Bulls. We're down on all three time frames for all of these indices. So what's the first baby step? You have to take out a daily high. Until that happens, nothing changes. Even on Wednesday, we had an inside day which paused the downward action. And what did they do? They came out of the inside day to the downside. Right? So you went bear, balance, back to bear. You need to take out a daily high to come back firmly into balance. That's the first baby step. You can't even think about the monthly or the weekly until we start doing that. Okay, so that's something I need traders to understand. Second thing, again, very large range in top 10 again. And the only thing ES has is this afternoon rally high. It also tells us so clearly who we're trading against, how the overnight high got into some very visual area, which was yesterday's opening, half back in the afternoon rally high in ES. And look at NQ. Now, again, I'm in full point increments, but look at that. I mean, right to the single point fill. So, and that pushing lower for now. All this means nothing. You know, these algos who go berserk come 8:30. So what matters is where we are trading at 9:30. And then I can give you a good game plan. If, however, these are your overnight highs, well, then that's a great risk reward short in ES, especially if you, NQ. If you get this overnight low and that's your overnight high, that's a great risk reward short against a single print fill and the upper distribution. Same with ES. If you get the overnight low, that's a good risk reward short. You could use value high as your out. As far as a long right now, again, there isn't one. The Bulls are not going to defend yesterday's low. And don't forget, both ES and SPY's yearly low right now are poor. So those become targets. So keep that in mind. I'm going to recap all of these charts tonight. We'll break them down where we're standing here as the first quarter is getting long in the tooth. As far as our charts right now, well, again, nothing can change until the daily does. We're down in all of them. Yesterday was the first day we traded at the 200-day moving average. We closed above it. Again, one day, I don't care. I want to see how we react off of this over the next 4 or 5 days. Again, we don't know. Will long-term money come in and say, okay, I want to be a buyer here. We're off 6-7%. I want to be a buyer. Or if we keep getting pushed below that and we're not getting any real upward move, remember, this market had a tremendous move both 23 and 24. There's still a lot of profits in this market. If they feel there's more to go down, maybe they sell it below the 200. Again, we're not going to know. It's very difficult to figure out. But as day traders, we just have to be aware of all those situations. So again, for the Bears, they want to stay below the 200 or get below it again. For the Bulls, they want to take out yesterday's high. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.